Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to DocHub. Connecting your Google Drive account allows you to import documents, edit PDFs, save changes, and manage files more efficiently without constantly downloading and re-uploading documents. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings or integrations section, depending on the version of DocHub you're using. Next, look for the option to connect a cloud storage service. You should see Google Drive listed among the available integrations. To make sure everything is working properly, open a document from Google Drive, make a small edit, save it, and confirm that the updated file appears in your Drive account. And that's how to connect Google Drive to DocHub. By linking these two services, you can streamline your document workflow and manage files more efficiently across both platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.